Hello fellow YouTubers, this is Raman from Digital Dreams. I wanted to share this visiting card design I created for my shop. I found it good enough to share it with you all here. I created it in Photoshop CS4. So without further delay, let's get started. So let's open the front and back files that I have already created. We will keep getting back to them as a reference. So what we'll do is we will open a new document. And the dimensions of this document are 3.7 and 2.3 inches. And so I'll take the color of the background from this card and we'll press Alt and backspace, and it fills in the background of the card, of the document, with this color. And then we are going to create this shape, this very shape. I have already created it and I have inserted it as a custom shape. I'll show you how I did it. So we'll go to custom shape, and this is the shape over here. So we'll draw it like this, and we'll take the color using the eyedropper tool and I'll fill it with this color, and we will rasterize the layer. Go to effects and give it a slight bevel, and now duplicate the layer. Duplicated the layer, and we will flip it vertically, and we'll bring it down just like that. And we'll merge it. We have merged the layers, and we will create another copy, and this time we will transform, flip horizontal, and we have this beautiful design now. This is the interesting thing to do, is to make a selection in the inside area of these shapes. So, like this, we will activate the pen tool, and we will create anchor points like so. Then pressing A, we will right click on it and make selection with the radius of 2 pixels. Click OK. Create a new layer, pressing this small icon over here, and you can fill it with any color. I'm going to fill it with white, and then we will go to pattern overlay, and we'll choose this grid pattern, and we will reduce the opacity like this, and we will change the color back to this very color actually, to get this effect, and just turn down the opacity a bit more. So now, using the same color we used before, we will type the name of the, so let's say the name is Digital Dreams, and then we will change the font something of my liking and align it in the center text with the tick mark, and using the corrector tool just sort of align it properly, and we can give it a slight drop shadow. And again duplicate this layer, bring it down, and just mention your web address, and we will use a simple digital range like so. We can insert a logo over here. Right now I have not created any logo, so I'll leave it at that. So this is like a front, and we'll save it as front, and then we'll save as back. So for back we will delete all these layers that we created. So we are left with this background, and now we focus on the back side of the card. So we have this shape, and take care of this shape and this shape. So I have already created a custom shape out of it. I'll show you at the end how I did it. So I'll press U, I'll go to custom shape, and this is the one. So let's see how it goes. We have to, it's around here, and we have to scale it like this, and let's rasterize it, and let's go to FX and bevel, give it a slight extruded look. Let's press OK, and then we got this amazing pattern fill inside of the shape. So again we'll bring up the pen tool, and we are going to click inside these lines, and like so. It takes a bit of patience. We can't hurry. I just overlapped, so I can press A, and we can manipulate the path. Now it's okay, and I press A, bring up your direct selection tool, right click on the path and make selection, feather tool, and what we're going to do is create a new layer, layer 2, take the same color, fill it inside the shape, and FX pattern overlay, and we're going to choose the same grid, and we're going to lower the opacity to, let's say, 16%. Press OK, and photo gives printing and more, and you can type the name of your choice, printing. In my case it's printing, so I'll type printing gifts and more. It doesn't matter. The font is Gothic, and it's www.studios.com. You can type in your online presence, your Facebook ID, Instagram, whatever you so like. So I'm just going with my fictitious online identity. And then you can very easily go into the shapes and you can bring in your contact number icon, and you can bring in your mail ID, and you can your Google location, and you can go ahead and type any number you like, and this is a sorry, let's say my id@gmail.com, and my location, it can be anything, and we'll change the fonts of all these 3 layers. Select all of them, press T, select Arial, and just about select them. Make these minor adjustments. Okay, they do take time, but you can't help it. So you can get the setting right. It takes a bit of time to take care of quite a few things, and we will just settle it at here. We can fine-tune all these things. It's not a very so suppose now this is the back, and we'll save it as a back. So in short, this is what we have created so far. This is the front of the card, and this is the back side. And now as to how I traced these shapes, and it was again done with the pen tool. We have to trace the outlines carefully, and like this, and then we can go ahead and trace these as well, like so. Close the path, and finally this one, and like that. And pressing the shift key, we have to select all these 3 paths that we created, and right click and define custom shape. So press OK, and you can access them from here. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for bearing with me. I was a bit sloppy in between, so pardon me, but I hope you liked this design and learned a thing or two by watching this tutorial. Thank you very much.